In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Steam games to external hard drive. Before we jump into Steam, start by connecting your external hard drive to your computer and make sure it shows up in File Explorer. If you're on Windows, you'll see it listed with a drive letter. On Mac, it should appear in Finder. Confirm there's enough free space for the games you plan to install. Games can be tens of gigabytes, so give yourself a comfortable buffer beyond the minimum. Also, ensure Steam is already installed and updated to the latest version for the smoothest setup. For best performance, plug your drive into a fast USB port, like USB 3.0 or higher. Now open Steam. In the top left corner, click the Steam menu, then choose Settings. On a Mac, this will be Preferences. Navigate to the Storage tab. If you're using an older Steam client, you'll find this under Downloads, then Steam Library Folders. Click the plus icon or the Add Drive or Add Library Folder button. Select your external hard drive from the list, and if Steam prompts you to create a folder, name it Steam Library. Confirm your choices. You're not moving any existing games here, you're simply adding a new location where Steam can store future installs. Next, in the Storage Manager, find the new external library you just added. Right-click it and select Make Default Folder. This tells Steam to send new game downloads to the external drive automatically. If your drive doesn't appear right away, restart Steam so it can detect the new storage. It's also a good idea to keep the drive connected to the same port so the path stays consistent. If the drive is unplugged in the future, Steam may show those games as not installed until you reconnect it. You're ready to install a game. Head to your library, select a game you want, and click Install. In the installation pop-up, look for the drop-down that lists your available Steam libraries, then choose the external drive location you created. Confirm to start the download, and Steam will save the files directly to the external drive. Download and install times will depend on your internet speed and the drive's performance, so let it run without disconnecting the drive. You can track progress in the Downloads view. Once it's finished, launch the game as usual. Steam will run it from the external storage you set up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.